Yeah, we have 84 days to go for your JAMB 2026 exam. And if you are just starting up, that is, if you have not been reading since and you just want to start preparing for your exam, then you have to watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you 5 things you must do that will help you kickstart your preparation, put you ahead, and still enable you to score like, let me just say, 280 to 300 and above. Now, why am I saying this year? Last year, I recorded about 100 students. Out of those 100 students, about 50 of them score 280 and above, and I have about 4 to 5 of them that score 300 and above. As a matter of fact, one score 320 in JAMB, right? So now, these 5 things I'm about to share with you will help you a lot in your preparation. You want to take this thing very, very, very serious. And if this video is helpful, always give it a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel because more of this type of video that will help you in your preparation is coming your way, right? So let's get down to the video here. Now, the first one to do here, if you're just starting up and you really want to prepare very well and you're so eager to like blast the exam once and for all, is this. For now, uninstall all your social media platform from your phone. Now, for example, TikTok is one of the biggest distractions. If you're not that so self-disciplined, you'll be distracted. Instagram is still very, very is a distracted platform. Facebook is a distracted platform, so you have to uninstall all your social media platform. Now, the only platform I want you to keep is YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms that anything you want to learn, you can easily go on YouTube and learn it. You get. Although on TikTok we have some online tutors that will go there every day to teach, but if you are really serious and you don't really want distraction, you really want to stay focused, then uninstall all your social media platform. It's going to be a great help you. Just focus on your preparation. That is first thing. Uninstall all your social media platform. And if you cannot install all your social media platform, then you are not serious enough. You see what the sacrifice. Sacrifice is giving good to get better. If you want to achieve something, then you need to sacrifice something. It's very important you uninstall your social media platform. Is very, very important. You get. So that will now move on to step 2. If you install your social media platform, how are you now going to learn, right? That will now move on to step 2. Step 2, you need to join an online class. If you are the type that hardly have time for yourself, or you go to normal physical class and you don't really see that value, probably there are so many online physical class that you go there, the population is much, the distraction is much, you not really get enough value from there. You get, and probably the class might just be from 4 to 6, 2 hours every single day. They may not, before you now come home, you may not really have you may not really have that value you paid for that money. So I will advise you join an online platform, join an online tutorial. Now, why do you need to join an online tutorial? Now, the leverage, you have leverage of your time. You can study at your pace. You can study anytime. You get. So once you uninstall your social media platform, you now need to join a community, like an online class. This online class, once you join a good online class, every good online class already have a structure, already have a blueprint they follow. Like for my class, I already have the blueprints for math, chemistry, physics, and biology. Now, the videos you need are already there. Now, instead of you going to watch random video, because one of the problems with so many people that don't join an online, I'm not talking about just random online class, a good online class, one of the advantage here is that one of the advantage of having that online class is because you have a structure you can follow. You get, they already have this thing prepared for you, especially if the system is already proven. You just have to follow it. You don't need to watch like 100 or 50 YouTube videos again. You don't need to go on TikTok and be looking for different topics again. Look for a tutor or a tutorial that you resonate with and stick to that. As long as it's giving you what you want and it have helped people like you, also like you, to get the result you want, just stick to it. Do you understand? So every good online tutorials already have a structure you can follow, you can depend on. So get a good structure, get a good online tutorial and join and follow through the process. Some of you, like in my class, some of you join an online class. Now they have given you the structure, they have given you the video, but you are not really putting much effort. Yes, you're not really putting much effort. So number two, join an online class. Online class will already reduce your stress for you because they already have a structure. Like if you join my class, I already have a structure that for you. You get, I already have a structure for you that you can follow. Number three, get a JAMB CBT app. Now, once you learn, you go to the CBT app and practice. Just there's some CBT app that allow you to solve questions based on the topic you have covered. You get, so you need to practice more of those questions. Most of my all my students have CBT app they practice with. So for every topic we have done, or we have treated, they go to that CBT app and practice a lot. Just either with CBT app or online CBT app, you also need to get your own personal past question and textbook, because after the videos and the lectures, you still need to do your own personal research. Just then number four, stay consistent in your study. You need to be consistent in your study. This is the period you need to put in. This is the period you need to work, putting in all effort in order to cover the things you need to cover. Understand this one thing. You must cover the JAMB syllabus if you really want to score very well. I'm not talking about students that want to score like 180, 200. I'm talking about those students that really want to score very well. Those students that are going for higher courses like the medicine study, the nursing, the pharmacy, the engineering, those sort of courses. Now, I'm talking about those students. If you really want to gain admission into your desired department, you need to stay consistent in your study. You need to have a timetable to follow. Now, I've done a video about timetable to follow. Do you understand? I've also done a video on how to cover the JAMB syllabus in 3 months. I have a structure in 3 months. Although you don't have 3 months again, there's a way you can do it that can cover the entire JAMB syllabus in 3 months. Just in 2 months. So that is what you need to understand here. And the last I want to share with you, join a group study. Join a group study. Now look at something here. You cannot be a lone wolf and succeed in JAMB. If you look at those students that blast well in JAMB, they have companions, they have students like them who have similar mindset, who have similar goal, who have collective mindsets, right? Join a study group. Join a study group. If you join a class, there's a study group I've created, right? So once you join class, I will just add you to a study group. So this way you now study with others. If you have any question, you can ask your mate. It's going to be of help to you. At times they will give you a topic to teach them, right? For chemistry, they say, okay, read this topic you're going to teach us in our brainstorming session. It's going to be of great help to you. So these are 5 things you must do if you're just starting now, because you have 84 days left for your exam. You need to utilize 84 days very well. Now, for those of you who are interested to join my class, please send me a DM. My class is now 20,000 naira one-time payment, 20,000 one-time payment, and all the classes you have missed are available for you. Just now for private one-on-one, you can also send me a message for private one-on-one. You get, and it's going to be of great help to you, right? More of this video will be coming your way. So that you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me in any platform you come across this video. Send me a message on WhatsApp and join our class today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.